My name is David Bowles. Job title is Hire Manager, Shop Manager and Yard Manager. The name of the company is Southern Plant and Tool Hire. We run the DV35s, Dura. They are a very popular hire item. Anything involving dust and for health and safety, they are very up to date on that. So anybody drilling, braking, sawing, they do collect the dust very, very well. You get very little dust airborne. And then with the HEPA flow bags, which we buy as well, it does keep all the dust within the unit. We run now 5 on our fleet, and we very rarely have more than 1 or 2 in at any time. So as a hire item, yes, they are popular. We could have 3 or 4 out all the time, week in, week out. So we do sell. We have a couple of customers who like the product very much. One particular customer has now purchased 12, 14 of us. We've got a new guy on board this year. They've now brought 5, 6 of us, and the feedback from them is very, very good. We get feedback from customers regularly, and regarding the DV35s, it is very positive. Again, the whole idea of the DV35 is to create minimal dust and collect all the dust within the unit, and by the sound of it, it does work. Well, the importance of having M-class certified equipment is for the end user. They know they can do their job and carry out their work safely when the dust's being controlled. But the DV35 vac is exactly what we should be sending out for anything to do with cutting, drilling and braking. The main importance for using bags within the DV35, one, to collect any working dust, and also to protect the machine from damage and dust ingression into the vacuum filters. We do order bags. We buy bags in many quantities. We have bags sent directly to site through ADEX, and we keep a stock here for all our hire items. But regularly, with a long-term hire, we are sending bags to site direct for the actual end user.